Good blood day, our brothers, sisters, Papa, Mama, staff of PNG, Bila Tutoklo is something Miolimia, a Miolium Plankane, in a toy gun and real gun. It's a very powerful gun. Mr. Blon plus 2 hours also Salim gun from single shot to very high powered guns. So, me work looting in time. Looking more this Lankan stuff here. Meeting in some of this Lankan so stuff long Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea by no exist now. So one plus Lankan stuff long islands now you mean looking islands provinces especially Enga province, Southern Islands and Dela province are devastated by guns. So one plus something me work line him long here. This long gun and also Salim long store. Any store you can buy those guns, single. One of them gun you like buy, you can buy them and keep him. So this is what they do here. I don't know the other countries, but I think there's some countries where money mature don't control him gun. This is not one per country. Now we only sell him gun, when we only slang gun. You know, it's like a plant your source where you might look him kind can gun is up inside. People can buy those guns, they can keep it. They don't use those guns to kill people, destroy places. They buy those guns for hunting purposes. All buying this little gun for hunting. So you can buy any of these guns and you can keep it one if you are here. So me work looting you mean get sabla lines and stuff long world. Where only mature long controlling gun. Gun cannot do anything, gun can't kill people. Gun by not make him plus something. Unless this money get wrong motive and gun by facilitating, gun by fulfilling this agreement wrong motives one kind of money, one kind of work or something. You mean that one blancan this kind stuff me fighting bros. Some time some illegal tribes where start to talk before long any get all in gun and stuff na some man stuff. You mean get some karna money stuff all start to talk now. You get some place or money stuff. We only no counting all millions. Amas Blancani stuff long. Have even also Salim gun or some toy gun or so as. But this law knows a controlling all. All mans are controlling. Mans are controlling money. Money get limit belong him. Sawe get limit belong him. Guns are stuff doesn't gun knows a make him man plus something. Time me look him was gun in no controlling all man. All gun yeah, big Blancan or Salim was a toy gun long. Okay that's so long these little places. I'm really challenged. One blood time Papua New Guinea Bakama Bosemo. One blood time Highlands region Bakama Bosem. One blood time all brothers blooming by controlling gun or gun by controlling all until Jesus comes. Emo some blood thinking where me kissing long and me just through my own me. Emo man make him Muslim. You mean man stab there. You mean no come up long pig dog. You mean no come up long DY. You mean no come up long stone. You mean by Karem gun go come kill him or policeman, you mean all him gun, boom boom long samla upload long Facebook, na totok fighty go come. Gun ino karemimi, wara ino karemimi, pig dog ino karemimi. Emol man where God is working long end, only controlling gun, only controlling money, only controlling knowledge, na only boss him okay there's something. Na only come up man na managing. Why not us? And challenge for me kissing. One time Mingham by stopping fight. One time Southern Islands na Hela province by stopping fight. Na kissing this thinking where God is giving long man long God him okay something. Na control him okay something. One time Bankan na fight by come up history Long Island region. And some thinking me kissing. All man stop long down countries na making place long only clean. Building cities long all. Establishing some black and system. Where beginning in a labun by not no bagarap na by not left out no. Why not Papua New Guinea? Why not us? We can do it. I still believe in my country. One day Papua New Guinea will never be the same. Any province will not be the same. Islands region will not be the same. Ella will not be the same. Southern Islands will never be the same. Gan by not long kill him okata man na finish in local. God still him, Island region, Papua New Guinea. And one day, Papua New Guinea must still go come up long thinking, long Papa God. 2025 a new player. as you mean go inside long and me happy long, you me long. Please forgive him, Mantla Narabla. Who said you stop life and life blow you a Mantla. You got all family stuff, you got all beginning come up. All married beginning but stop long way. Thing in this land now, who said you stop life long and me happy long you plan long. Make him some plan strong plan decision. Long lose him wrong. Forgive him all. Na lose him can. Go back lo babangkot. Na thing in future long all beginning. Next generation by no have long fight us. What can I do that? What can I